Welcome back into the workshop once again for the continuing saga of my MFT style of top manufacture or the problems that I am finding. To my credit, I'm going to take some. I removed the extended table. Wasn't going to because I thought I'd got it pretty good. But in the back of my mind there was something that I had come across previously. I had to adjust the height of this a little bit, so I did so, and I thought while I've got the table off, for this purpose actually, I'll check the trueness of the table to the axis of my drill bit, or my drill rather. There, I think you'll at least admit or accept that it's pretty good. There's not much discrepancy in the alignment of the quill this way. Yeah. This way, yeah, there's a bit of a discrepancy. Strangely enough, when I put it this way, it doesn't appear as big, but it's got to be, maybe just, no, it probably does. It's just the way the eye is picking it up. So there is no facility within this drill press to tilt this way. Worse still, which is something I hadn't contemplated or hadn't allowed for, let's just take that out while I'm thinking of it. In fact, I'll grab it. I just don't mind. I hope you don't mind getting tilted around a bit. The other thing is, it may well be that I ran the timber, the two strong backs, through the thicknesser at the same time, so they should, in theory, be identical thickness. Yeah. But if I put it on here, any slight intolerance in the actual extension table added with this means that I have to check the alignment from the surface of my work, well, from that work surface, not simply this one. Yes, this gets me to where I possibly can get, and I've noted that there is an inaccuracy. Darn it. But that's inbuilt to this. Now when I put the two strong back rails on here, it will of course tilt the table to represent this, to faithfully follow this. So the solution of course is pop this back on, tweak it down lightly, reintroduce the pin to the drill press, and then check it for square, because there just might be a chance that it will either exaggerate or neutralize anything that's out here. It would be nice to have a better quality drill press, but it's not that far out, and for most purposes this is fine. But it also might be worth, because I've got a friend's drill press, same size, and his father was an engineer. And there stands a better chance that his drill press is better tuned, you could say. Maybe, maybe not. But it would be interesting now to drag it out of storage, put it on the stand here and have a look at it. I might even just drag it out anyway for that purposes and bring them into the workshop and have a wee bit of an examination of it. It's not going to hurt too much. But yes, I hadn't contemplated, which is logical when you think about it, it's that surface that needs to be tested for true, not the drill press, not simply the drill press. So I'm going to pop that back on and make sure that when I square it up again, I'm taking into consideration the true work surface that the melamine pieces will be sitting on. And after all, that's what I need for the most accuracy, don't I? Well, there you go. That's a short one. Yeah, 5 minutes. Not often do I have a 5-minute video, so there you go. Rightio, I'm going to get to it, put that on, and see how I go. And I'll get back to you on this one. Okay, see you later now. Bye.